What's up, Charlie? My name is Kwekwaye, and this is Ghanaian photography. In this short tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to use one light for a beauty headshot. Our model for today is Ines. I'll add her handle down here so you can check her out on Instagram. Where can they find you?
Instagram.
Okay.
At Miss Ines. TikTok, Miss Ines. Yeah.
Everything is set for us to start. I'll be using my trusted Nikon D750 with a 85mm. It's a headshot, so I need something long enough. I have the 70-200, which I could use, but I've decided to use the 85mm. Ideally, for close-up headshots, you would want to use something macro, like the 105 macro. But since I don't have that, I'll make use of the 85mm. I'm using the 120 cm reflector here just to bounce light back. So this setup is like the clamshell, one light up and then a reflector down. You can decide to use another light down, but since I want it to be very dramatic, I just have a reflector. And this reflector is not your traditional reflector. It's more of the diffuser, because I don't want the reflected light to be that strong. I want it to be soft. She has nice skin tone, so I just want this to bounce some small lights to fill up some of the shadows. With that said, I'll take a test shot and then we'll see. Concerning the camera settings, I would add them to the pictures as they show up on the screen. Okay, so let's get your first pose. This is our first shot. As you can see, it's shutter speed 1/200, f6.3, ISO 100. It looks just the way I like it. You might say it's a bit too dark, but this is how I like it. But you like it dark? Okay, so no problem. Our model says she likes it dark, so we'll try and then make it very, very dramatic. So it's like we have an agreement. I like very dramatic pictures. So okay, this is good, but I think I'll just increase the light a bit. It's on 1/16 now, so let me take it to 1/8. Okay, and let's take another one.
You left your perfume on the pillow and your whispers in the air. Got your face stuck in the mirror and I keep finding your hair. Got a big box in my closet with the fall pictures we took. Oh, and I keep finding dog ears that you left in my books. Miss your ache and I just crash over, cause you crashed in like a tsunami. Woke up next to you so long over, sunlight painted stripes on your body. I'd give anything that I have for just another one of your nights. You can't have an arm in a light, but just a minute more of your time.
There you have it, guys. Let me know in the comment section if this setup is something you would want to incorporate into your setups. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.